Okay, children. Today's maths class is in yesterday's class we are learning about what is the place value and what is the face value. Okay, children. First we want to learn about what is the place value. Means the product of the digit. The product of the digit and its place is called the place value, children. Okay, what is the place value? See, means the product of the digit and its place is called the place value. Okay, children, we are learning about the place value short for 1 to 9 digits. You know that, children? 1 to 9 digits. So, see, children, we have in 1 to 9 digits. How many numbers are there, children? For 9 digits. We are learning about 9 digits. See, children, here I am giving period, crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones. Okay, children. Now I am telling about for example, I am taking one the 9 digit number, children. That one is see, children, how many digits are there here? Ones count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there, children, here? 9 digits. Okay, first we want to write what is the place values of given number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Okay, children, now we want to write the given number in place value chart. See, children, in ones place we have 3 periods. In ones period we have 3 places, children. That one is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. And next goes to thousands period. In thousands period we have 2 places, children. That one is thousands place and next one is 10,000s place. And next goes to lakhs period. In lakhs period we have 2 places, children. That one is lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. And next goes to crores period. In this crores period we have two places, children. That one is crores, 10 crores. Okay, children, now I am saying one of the example sums. See, children, first we want to write what is the ones place of the number. So in ones place what is the number have, children? 9. And next goes to 10. Tens place, that one is 5. And next goes to hundreds place. Which number have in hundreds place, children? 4. And next goes to thousands place. Thousands place we have thousands and 10,000s. That one is 6 is in thousands place, 4 is in 10,000s place. And next goes to lakhs period. 3 is in lakhs period and 2 is in 10 lakhs period. And next goes to crores period. In the crores period we have 4. In 10 crores we have what is the digit, children? In 10 crores 5. How to read this one, see, children? 54 crores. Right in, see, children? 54 crores. Come on, next. Next goes to lakhs period. 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs. And next goes to thousands period. 46,000. 46,000. And next goes to hundreds place. 400 lakhs. 46,000. And next goes to 459. 459. See, children, how to write off the given number? How many digits we have? Then write what with the help of the place value chart, children. Okay, children. See, what is the I am saying one of the example sums, see, children, how to write in the place values in the easiest way. See, children, here how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there, children, here? 9 digits. How many digits? 9 digits. So first we want to write a place values, children. That one is ones, 10, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, Okay children, next goes to tens place. Tens place means 2 into 10. 2 into 10 means what is the children? 2 into 10, 20. Okay, next goes to hundreds place. Write here hundreds place. Why I am writing here 3 into 100 means 3 is in a hundreds place. See children, that one is 3 into 100, that equal to 300. And next goes to thousands place. What is the number of children in thousands place? 9. 9 into 1000. That one is 9000. Next goes to 10,000. Means 4 is in 10,000 place. 4 into 10,000 means 40,000. Next goes to lakhs. See children, 4 is in lakhs place. 4 into lakh means 4 lakhs. Next goes to 2 into 10 lakhs. Means 20 lakhs. Next goes to crores. Crores means what is the number children here? 6 into crores means 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. That one is 6 crores. And next number is children, what is the 10 crores? 8 into 10 crores means that one is 80 crores. Okay children, this is the example some children practice like this some children. Okay children, next example see children, what is the given heading? See children, what is the place value of 4 in each of the following numerals? What is the heading children? Write the place value of 4 in each of the. Write the place value of 4 in each of the following numerals. Okay? See children, what is the sum given and how many digits are there in that sum? Once count children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First, okay children, first we want to write place value of the given number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Okay children, what is the question see children? Write the place value of 4. So in the sum we have 4 children. In which place we have 4 children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So place value of answer is see children. Place value of 4 is, which place are children? 4, 10 lakhs. So write 4 into 10 lakhs. What is that children? 40 lakhs. Okay children, 40 lakhs. And next is children, in the given number, how many digits are there here? 9. Ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have here 4. Place value children, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. See children, in the given question, given sum, we have 4 in thousands place. So answer is place value of 4 is, which place children? That one is 4 is in thousands place. Right? 4 into 1000. That equal to 4,000. Okay children? This is today's class children. Practice this sums in C1 children.